Good morning, everyone. This is Shirley, and this is Jamming with Yarn. This is a breakfast menu that I'm making. This is not original to me. This breakfast is coming from, it's called the Easy Tofu and Veggie Scramble. And I will try to remember to link his information below. But what I'm doing right now, what you're looking at is some red peppers, some leeks, some peppers here. I don't think you can see that here. I have some tofu that I've already squeezed. I have some pancake mix that I already have together, and I purchased this actually to make seitan, but when I read the ingredients it had so much in it to where I'm thinking, oh, that might not be it, and it's such a small bag, but it do have 11 grams of protein. And this is a quick one. I made it last night because I need some fast food, and this is about as fast as it's gonna get or as being healthy for me right now. So the first thing that we're going to do, oh, before I start that, I'd like to welcome everyone, my new subscribers and all my wonderful older subscribers. Please pass this video along. I'm trying to think of a name, and if you see any stuff over there, my grandkids are here today. I had promised to watch them this weekend, and this is such a fabulous weekend. As you guys know, I've studied yoga. I'm a practitioner of yoga. Well, I'm trying to be a devotee of yoga. And that's a lot where this is coming from, my eating habits. I am studying Bhakti Yoga. I love it. And today is a very special day over in San Francisco, and I wish I was there, but I'm not because I'm here. And I really was trying to get people together, family, to come watch my grandkids, but it's not happening. So I woke up this morning singing, thinking, giving praise to God, and feeling really good. And I still feel really good. They've already eaten their junk food because they will not eat my stuff. So yeah, so if you guys are in the city, San Francisco, please go over and check out the Bhakti Yoga. The festival, it starts at 10 o'clock. Today is the 14th of August 2021, and it's going to be vegetarian food, a parade, and a lot of culture going on. I really wish I was there, but my heart is there. So, and I was trying to figure out how to get there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scoot you guys up since I'm moving this mat. Okay, so I'm going to put in my vegetables and let them get a little brown. Okay, and you know what I need? I'm bouncing all over the place. I need to purchase a non-stick skillet. I don't have one. I have my wok, but I don't have a non-stick skillet. Oh, little things we have to do to get our life together. You know, I've always used a skillet or, you know, these type of pans. So once this get a little bit browner, I'll come back and I will add the tofu and crumble it up like cottage cheese. I did drain this tofu, so it's not a lot of liquid in it, if any. And I will be right back as soon as this brown up. Okay, you guys, so I am back. It's getting a little brown. I got a phone call from my granddaughter, so that I sort of let my stuff get a little brown. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to add the tofu. Like I said, it's drained and my hands are clean. And I'm going to crumble that up in here. And I only have like 1/4 of my what do you call it? 1/4 of my tofu in here. Sorry about that. So I have no idea what I was talking about when we stopped besides the festival, and I really wish I was there. My granddaughter says she's gonna come over anyway, but about time she gets here and I get ready, it might be already over with part of it. I don't know. I still feel good because I'm giving praise to God. It's all good. It's always good when you have Him in your life. I do believe that, and I am becoming a much happier person, a more rounded person, and I'm loving it. So let's put in our seasoning. I think we need to put in our seasonings at this point, which I have, and I have this is a little bit of hinge, like the little is considered a substitute for garlic. It's really strong. You don't need that much, and this might be overpowering. Then I have some white pepper, and you can put whatever you want in yours. I have this is a little bit of curry powder. And we're going to stir that up. And I'm going to let this brown a little bit more, and I'll be back with you guys. Okay, you guys, so this is about as brown as I can get it in this particular skillet. So I'm going to add a little pepper to taste. It looks like a lot, but it is a little pepper to taste. And next, I will add some paprika, smoked paprika. I'm only adding a little bit of these items. And that smells good. I definitely need a non-stick skillet. Okay. I don't know if I added a little bit of salt. Just a little bit of salt. Now, that's what it looks like. Okay, I'm going to make my pancake. Nope, I forgot one more ingredient. One more ingredient is a little bit of almond milk. I don't like almond milk, so I'm going to cut this down. I have regular milk. And pray that it works out right. Okay, well, I'm going to have a time cleaning this pot. Okay, I'm going to go make my pancake real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, you know, pancake is ready. Got a little dark. Yeah, so I did it in a skillet, so a little bit dark there. I'm going to add my egg. Sorry, and this skillet is just toe up from this. Okay, let me put this in the sink. May not look that great. And I say that because I'm looking at it, okay? I don't like my pancakes looking like that. But what can you do? I already put some butter on it. And okay, that's a lot. Okay. Put a little syrup on it. I don't like syrup on mine, but I don't like this particular syrup. I bought some cheap syrup. One day, I like log cabin, but they didn't have that. So let's see. That's good. Tastes like pancake. A little bit tough. I need a grill. I gave mine away. Excuse me for eating. Let's see what this tastes like. No, it doesn't look that great. Tastes good. Okay, you guys. thanks for having breakfast with me. And I will see you on the next one. As we get older, you know, when we're in our 20s, 30s, 40s, sometimes we eat bad. But if you hadn't, that's really good. But we do need to try to take care of our health as best as we can. Try to get as much good food into your body. As you can see, my grandkids are here. They will not eat this, but they will eat all this stuff. I don't know if you can see that over there. All this kind of stuff. My grandson brought it. My great-grandkids. They'll eat all this stuff. But there's nothing I can say or do about that. They're not my kids. They're my GG kids. And I'm glad for them to be here. Love them. I've been having a great time since this little bit of lockdown. Well, not lockdown. We have this little opening right now in California. But if we don't get it together, we'll be locked down again. I don't know. I don't know what to say about America, you know. I was looking at the news, a news feed that was on my phone about Afghanistan and how they've sent 3,000 soldiers over there to help the soldiers to, I guess, to come home. I'm not quite sure. You can look at the details for yourself. But it's like, you know what? And I'm not for war. I'm not for hate. I'm not for any of that stuff, because I know that that's not our way. That's not who we should be. But we're behaving that way because it is what it is, okay? And each person is an individual, and they get to make the decisions on how they want to behave. But as a country, how do you expect to be strong in any front if your own people cannot come together and act like decent human beings? Let me know your thoughts on the breakfast. Let me know your thoughts on this, and let me know if you're doing any prepping. Okay, until next time, you guys, happy eating, and make it as simple as possible. Bye bye.